Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. First, you have to open your Binance account. After that, you have to verify your identity first. After that, click on More option and then scroll down, and then you will see an option named Trade. Now find the P2P option in the Trade section, and then click on it. After the click on the upper INR or your currency, and then type GBP and select it. After that, refresh it and click on the Filter option, and then you click on Payments Method, and you will see many payments option here. Now you can select or search the Wise and Pay and are done. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.